I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've received the wrong items from Instacart, getting a refund is straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your device. Make sure you reload into your account to access your order history. Step 2. Go to your orders. Navigate to your orders section from the menu. This is where you can view all your past purchases and their statuses. Step 3. Select the wrong order. Find and select the order that contains the incorrect items. Tap on it to view the details of the order. Step 4. Report an issue. Look for the option to report an issue or request a refund. This is usually located near the order details. Choose the specific items that were wrong. Step 5. Submit your request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Instacart link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you accidentally select an item that was actually correct, you might delay the refund process. Just double check your selections before submitting. I hope this helps you resolve any wrong delivery issues quickly. Happy shopping!